What's up, YouTube? So we back again today. As you can see, I got another big box in the mail. We're gonna do a little unboxing of what this is and why I got this. Let me try and set this down. Woo! So, as you can see, it is the I don't know if this is the V2 or V1 Rocket Bunny diffuser, but I went ahead and picked this one up, and it came with the reverse light, which online, this thing is like, I'm not lying, I think it's like $60 to $70, and it's just outrageously priced. And then it comes with the backup, the stoplights too, so that's good. And then this thing's actually made of plastic instead of fiberglass, which I love, because that fiberglass one that came in my kit, it just wasn't cutting it. I'm gonna be honest, it was horrible. This one looks a lot better, and I actually like how this comes up. Hopefully this fits around the piece on my bumper. But let me know in the comments, do you guys like this bumper better or the V3 Rocket Bunny diffuser better? This one's just a little bit different, has the extensions, comes with the light, has 3 holes to drill through instead of 4, and this one's made of plastic. Let me know in the comments below what you guys like better. And to be honest, I'm gonna tell you the truth, the one in my kit, the fiberglass one on my V3 kit came, the fitment wasn't that great along the top, and it was kind of sloping down on the top. It just didn't fit really good at all, so I needed the light anyways, the middle light, the reverse light anyways, so I just went ahead and picked this up. Better quality. I'll test fit this and see if it fits better or not also, so we'll get to that in a second. Okay, you guys, so this is just mocked up real quick, but you can already tell the fitment on this rear diffuser is way better, which you guys really didn't see the first diffuser, but the fitment on this one is way better. I mean, I haven't even drilled it on, and it's just hugging the bumper, so that's good fitment. I have a little gap over here, just a small gap, but that's because of this plastic piece connected to the bumper. All I gotta do is take that off, and then this should be able to suck in farther, and it'll fit a lot better. But the fitment is just spot on. The one on my V3 kit that came, I mean, this top piece across wasn't even long enough. It was like an inch or two short, so like I had to like flex the bumper in just to try and make it fit. This one just fits perfect, and this is what I was talking about, that piece. I kind of want to keep this and run this around it, so that way it looks like it has like levels to it, which I really like. But I'm gonna go ahead and try and take this piece off, get that sucked in, and like I said, I've already got the bumper cut, so all I really need to do is just drill the holes and connect this diffuser to the bumper, and then it's all ready to go back on the car. But yeah, the fitment looks amazing. Shout out to Icon Motorsports. They got this to me in, I think, 2 days. I ordered this, today is Saturday actually. They delivered it on Saturday too. I ordered this like Thursday, I think, or maybe Wednesday evening, but look at that fitment though. This is great fitment all around the board. So this is how I want to rock it. So if this is my car over here, yeah, I think that just looks pretty cool. It's like another lip. I don't want to rock those 3 canards on the V3 kit, honestly. I'm not a big fan of them. But yep. Alright guys, I'll go ahead and try and mock this up, and then I'll show you, if I can get it on the car, I'll show you what it looks like on the car. Alright guys, so I just got the diffuser connected to the bumper. I put rivets, well not rivets, some Allen key bolts through each of those with some washers and some nuts on the back. I might drill another hole here, somehow mount that to the car, because I'm pretty sure this is probably gonna flop around. But over here, because this is so thick and you still have to go to the bumper back here, I just drilled a big hole straight through the whole thing and just zip tied here, and also one down there, and same over here. So I got a zip tie there and a zip tie down here, only because I didn't have a bolt to go all the way through that. But I think that should hold. So last, all I have to do is do the wiring, which I would have to go outside and try and put it on my car. Do the wiring first though, and then after I do the wiring, should be able to mount it up and see how it looks. So I don't know if I get that. I don't know if I'll get to that today, but if I do, you definitely will see it. If I don't, at least you see the diffuser on the bumper. It looks really good. I think I have a gap here, but like I said, I'm not really too worried about it because the top is flush and nice. That's all I was really worried about, and the lights I was really worried about. But this looks awesome. So I'll show you what it looks like if I do decide to put it on the car today. Alright guys, here's the finished product. I am in love with it. I do have a little gap over here, but it's perfectly fine. It looks mean. I definitely recommend this. With the V3 kit, it looks awesome. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment below your guys' thoughts. Last look at it. Alright guys, I will catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.